What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store on a cloudy, stormy day. They closed in a little over an hour, so we have some time to head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. Alright, so I already went and looked at the DVDs, and take a look at the cart. We got a whole bunch of sealed box sets, DVDs, just everything, every single season of 2.5 Men, brand new sealed. The Apprentice, just some crazy stuff here for between $2 and $4. We'll go over that in a little bit, but I wanted to check out the board games since I only have about an hour, and looking through DVDs can be a little boring. So the first cool thing I noticed was this Monopoly Mega. I've never seen it before, so I don't know if it's worth anything. They're asking $2.99 on it, so let's scan it in together and see if it has any value. There's the barcode right there. I hear all the pieces bouncing around in there. I hate that, but hey, it is what it is. I have my Amazon seller app opened. We're gonna grab the barcode scanner and hope it's selling for a lot of money. Oh, okay. So selling brand new for 50 bucks. Nobody's selling it used, so I'll snag it. Why not? Here we go. Another cool looking game right here, Enchanted Forest. It is only 99 cents, but I believe red is 25% off or 50% off, so it's at 50 cents. Not bad. And I'll pop the price up here on the screen. You guys can see how much it's going for. Easy money. Why not? Throw that in the cart. Here we go. Guess Who? Disney edition. I love finding crossover games. I actually just sold this on eBay because I don't think there's an Amazon listing. I'll pop my sold listing up here. At least I think it's this exact version. And this one's only 99 cents. I think I sold it for 30. So pretty sweet. We'll definitely snag that. We also got a Clue Junior game right here. And it looks to be new, even though it's opened. And it's only 75 cents. So we'll snag that. Alright, this may seem expensive, $12.99 for a busted, taped up box of a Barbie, but take a look at that price. Brand new, about $100 used, still around 80 bucks, and it is brand new on the inside, just the box is heavily damaged. We will definitely take that. I also grabbed a couple other cool games, the Allowance game for 8 bucks, but it's brand new sealed. That's pretty easy money. We'll stick that in there. And then Life Yokai Watch. Interesting, another crossover. Like I said, I love the crossovers. It's only $1.99, but it's 25% off, so we'll take it. Why not? Alright guys, anything Barbie is hot right now, and this is no exception. We have a Barbie Dreamhouse. It looks old school, but if you look on the bottom, I noticed it said 2020 right there. It's hard to see, but it's from 2020. I scanned it into Amazon, and it has a great rank, lots of reviews, and nobody's on the listing, meaning it's selling out consistently. It's only like $2 or $3, so we'll just grab it. I don't know what it's actually worth, but I assume it's more than $2 or $3. And right down from where I grabbed the Barbie Dreamhouse, we have Ticket to Ride First Journey. I believe this brand, Days of Wonder, is restricted on Amazon. We'll check together, but this would probably be an eBay sale if it is. I always get comments saying, hey, why don't you sell on eBay or show more eBay stuff? Well, this could be it. I'll scan it in, and yeah, it is restricted. It's selling for about $24, it looks like, used, and they want, if it's 99 cents, I'll probably grab it. It is 99 cents. So we'll grab it, throw it up on eBay. I'm sure it sells for around 20 or so over there. This is so cool. It's a puzzle. Barcelona 92, Michael Jordan right there, John Stockton, Magic Johnson, Patrick Ewing, Larry Bird, very Scottie Pippen on the end there. Very cool. And it is $6 on the side there. Not a bad price, but you know, I don't know if all the pieces are in here. It is taped up, so sadly I'll pass that $6, but it says NBA Skybox basketball card inside. I wonder which card is in here. Do we try and cut it open and take a look? I think we do. Alright, now for the big reveal. I have not looked inside yet. Is there a card in here? I'm sure whichever kid had this growing up took it out. Yeah, I'm not seeing a card in here. All the pieces might be in here. This is actually a really clean puzzle, but I think I'm gonna leave it. Yeah, no card, nothing. It's very cool. Sadly, not gonna grab it. Alright, looking at this shelf, does anything here look like it would be worth a lot of money? We have a little mouse down there, Candyland, a little travel domino kit. I don't know. Looking at all of this, nothing looks great, but would you be surprised if I told you that this little travel Triominoes kit for $3 is selling right now on Amazon for 50 bucks. 50 bucks brand new. You gotta be kidding me for this tiny little Triomino kit. You never know what's gonna be worth it. I also found a sealed puzzle right here that's going for like 30. And guys, Cash Flow, always keep an eye out for this game. Cash Flow with Robert Kiyosaki. He wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the book. It's a pretty popular book. There's all of his books back there. This is like a $40, $50 game, and it is only $1.99, so I'm snagging it. The game of Baloney, fibbing fun for the whole family. Okay, I'll scan it. Oh, is there food in it? No, it's not. Okay. All right, we're gonna scan the Baloney. Let's see what we got. Oh no, they wrote right over the barcode. I'm gonna have to type it in. So the Baloney game, sadly, well, brand new. It sells for $22, that's not bad, but used, it's only, well, used I guess selling for $20, you'd make $11, it's only 99 cents. I guess that's not terrible. The tin is a little dented up for a $10 profit, maybe, but I think I'm gonna pass. All right, taking a look at the electronics. Back in here we have a Panasonic, this should be a KP310. Let's flip it around and see if I'm right. There it is, KP310. For $3. I sell these all the time for about 25, 30 bucks. So that is going right in the cart. A Del Rey, I'd pass on the Del Rey. I don't think that's worth anything. Let's see if there, oh, a monkey. Look at the monkey. We'll leave the monkey. I don't see any other electronics. We'll throw this guy in here. And, oh, I've sold these a bunch in the past. 70 bucks is honestly not a terrible deal. It's 25% off. These used to sell for about $300-$400. I wonder if this still does. I don't want to mess with it, but I will pop it up here on the screen if it's worth it. It's a Sony Mega Storage 300 CD. It's the CDP CX355, and it might still be worth it. But I noticed right up above we have a little Wiimote with Wii Motion Plus inside. You always want to see that little bonus right there. If this is $1.99, oh, it's $8. It's kind of a lot, but it might still be worth it. We also have a PS3 up here for 50 bucks with some duct tape on it. We'll leave that. This might be okay. Stick it in the cart for now. And anything else down here that looks kind of cool? Lots of DVD players, some Blu-ray players. No 4K or VCRs, nothing good like that. They used to carry VCRs here. I think they stopped. Oh wow. We have an Xbox One right here for 70 bucks. It's kind of cool. Missing all the cords and controllers though. Still 70 bucks. First Xbox One I've seen at a thrift store. That's kind of cool. All right, so taking a look at some controllers over here. We have probably the most knockoff N64 controller I've ever seen with a light gun attachment, I think. Yeah, there's a little gun attachment on there with the little trigger. This is actually kind of cool. I don't know. I don't think it's worth anything. I could be completely wrong. What do we have over here? And a couple more Wii remotes at 8 bucks each. This looks gross. It's not really coming up on camera, but it's disgusting. Original Xbox remote. A Beehive zipper or a Bees Who zipper. I've never seen that. Yeah, I don't think any of these are gonna be that great. Here's a PS2 controller, $10. Come on. What is this? We'll leave all the controllers behind. Besides the one $8 Wii Motion Plus. It's not a bad deal. This is a pretty cool jacket right here. It's Sunray, which I've never heard of, made in made in Waterbury, Connecticut, USA. That's kind of cool. Notre Dame on the back, Notre Dame. So this is probably super vintage, $15. It's really cool. I couldn't find anything about it online, so I don't know if it has any value. It looks like it's maybe 80s. I wish I had a year on it, but it doesn't. It's neat though. It's a little small. I don't know, what would you guys do with it? I think I'm gonna leave it behind. I'm not really good at determining which pieces of vintage clothing have value or not. I saw a cool Giants jacket also, I'll show you guys. I noticed this peeking out, this little red, white, and blue down here. And got a big Giants logo on the back. You got a little Giants logo on the front, 40 bucks. Seems expensive. It's an XL. All right, so we left the Giants, but take a look at this. This Braves starter, size large. It's 30 bucks. Pearl snap, and it has a couple little stains in the white. Yeah, it'll need to be bleached out, cleaned out, but dang, this thing's nice. There's also a mark right up here. I wonder how hard that'd be to get out. I don't know, 30 bucks? Would this be something? There's nothing on the back. It is plain on the back, but it's very cool. I think I'll get that for 30 bucks. I'm gonna have to look into it a little bit. So we got another really cool vintage Hall of Fame dugout derby, 10 bucks. It is size large, made in USA. There's one listed on eBay for 175, which no solds, but who knows how rare this is. There's actually a lot of marks on the back. They might wipe right off. It's nothing too bad. There's a couple, I don't know if those are bleach stains. I could feel them. They might just scrape right off. Yeah, they're starting to scrape off. Okay, so that's nothing. This is really cool. We'll snag that for 10 bucks also. Pop it in there. All right, we just keep finding cool stuff. Here's a Southern Maine Huskies softball. Adidas, only the best for the athlete. Oh, so this probably was for an athlete because there is a name tag here with nothing written in it. I wonder what it costs. $50. Probably too much. Leave that behind. Find anything, Ashley? Oh, what's that? Zurich Pipes and Drums, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Wow. That is cool.
Here.
10 bucks. What's on the front? Zura. I don't know. That's crazy looking. Here we go. Here's something cool and vintage. Lace Your Skate. Skate Great 1992. Size medium, made in USA. This is super unique. What does it say down the side? 92 Hamden Open. Hamden Open, yeah. I don't know what this is. Hamden, Connecticut, 1992. This is actually kind of cool. I like it. I might grab it. All right, so the cart is all full. We are about to check out right now. They are closing, so I am stoked with all of this. Let's go make some money.